Welcome back to Muscle Car, where power meets perfection. Today, we're diving deep into something extraordinary, the 2026 Scania Camper van, a masterpiece that transforms every journey into pure luxury on wheels. This isn't just a van, it's a moving mansion crafted for those who demand strength, comfort, and technology all in one unstoppable package. The first thing that grabs your attention is its bold and commanding stance. The 2026 Scania Camper van combines the rugged DNA of a heavy-duty truck with the sleek design of a high-end motorhome. The sculpted front grille, modern LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines give it an unmatched road presence. Whether you're cruising through highways or exploring mountain routes, this camper dominates every landscape effortlessly. Step inside, and you'll realize this is where innovation meets comfort. The interior is a luxurious blend of premium leather, polished wood accents, and ambient lighting. Every detail has been designed to give you the ultimate travel experience. The spacious cabin offers a fully equipped kitchen, a smart living area with an extendable sofa, and a cozy sleeping zone that feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a camper. Technology takes center stage here. The central control system allows you to manage lighting, climate, and entertainment with just a touch or voice command. The panoramic sunroof brings in natural light during the day and a starlit view at night. The soundproof walls make sure your adventures remain peaceful, no matter how wild the world outside gets. Under the hood, the 2026 Scania Camper van doesn't compromise on power. Equipped with a turbocharged hybrid engine, it delivers both raw performance and exceptional fuel efficiency. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth, stable ride, even on the roughest terrains. It's not just about going places, it's about how confidently you get there. Safety is another area where Scania refuses to cut corners. From adaptive cruise control and lane assist to smart braking systems and a 360-degree camera setup, every inch of this vehicle is engineered to keep you safe and in control. The 2026 Scania Camper van redefines what freedom feels like. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're traveling across countries or just escaping for the weekend, this van turns every drive into a story worth telling. So, what do you think? Could this be your dream home on wheels? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Muscle Car for more incredible vehicle reviews and jaw-dropping automotive designs. Because here, every ride is more than a drive, it's an experience.